remembered what I wanted to say. It's a little bit annoying really, because I did all this, I made a video earlier today with all this stuff, and then it got lost or deleted. So that's why we've ended up with this now in bits and pieces to get put together. Okay. What I wanted to show you was, because these types of equations are linear, because they're straight, they're straight lines, linear. I think linear is Latin, probably. It means when you spot an equation like this, where x is to the power 1, and there's no other x squared or anything else, x cubed, you know it's straight. So that means that you only need 2 points to plot a straight line, if you know it's straight. So what I'm going to do is, this equation I'm going to plot it, well, not plot it, but draw it using 2 points. So here's the axes. Here's our axes. I know you can hardly see that one. Right. And I'm going to choose 2 easy points. The first one I'm going to choose is when y equals 0. That means that when y equals 0, it's somewhere on the x-axis. Yeah? So 0 equals, so I'm choosing that, 1 minus 2x. So I think that means that when y is 0, x equals plus a half. This, put the 2x over the other side, but it becomes a plus. So that's plus 2x equals 1, divide through by 2, x equals a half. So if that's a 1 here, we know that it crosses the x-axis at plus a half. And then I am going to choose x equals 0. Right? So in that case, when x equals 0, we know that it's on the y-axis somewhere, equals 1, well, when x is equals 0, that whole term is gone, y equals 1. So when x equals 0, y equals 1. And there's our line. And I remember, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago, I think I showed you something on GeoGebra. And I was showing you 2 lines on GeoGebra. Say here, look, we know that this line, that's this one, crosses the x-axis. This is pure chance, I didn't design it that way, at this point, and this other equation crosses it at the same point. So this point is the point where both are true. I remember you say, does that mean that both equations are true at that place? Yeah, exactly that. Both are true, they're simultaneous. And so, and then, oh yeah, that's right. And then I think a little while later she told me, oh, I'm doing simultaneous equations at school now. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to talk about in the subsequent talk video. But in actual fact, I made it before this one. Okay. So that's why things are disjointed. It's very annoying, but there you go. Thank you.